Cereal snack. Turn your favorite cereal into yummy snack bars. For this recipe, you'll need 3/4 cup nut, coconut, or seed butter, half cup honey, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 cup quick oats, half cup cereal, a large bowl, and a baking sheet lined with parchment paper.
Step 1.
Stir the nut butter, honey, and vanilla together in a bowl.
Step 2.
Stir in the oats and cereal.
Step 3.
Scoop the mixture onto a baking sheet and press it down with your hands or a spoon.
Step 4.
Freeze for 1 hour, then cut into squares or bars.
Bonus.
Add dried fruits or sprinkles.